Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Dolphins escape Foxboro with a win. The Splash Zone, the 10th of July 2024. You read that right, folks. The Miami Dolphins recorded a win yesterday when they defeated the New England Patriots. It wasn't pretty, and the Dolphins continue to make the same mistakes over and over again. The pre-snap penalties on offense were an issue again, and the special teams unit was an absolute mess. Yes, there was a lot of bad. But the team has a bye next week with a chance to rest up and get healthy for a matchup with the Indianapolis Colts in Week 7. You can check out that story here, and the rest of the day's roundup below. Instant takeaways as Miami Dolphins get late TD to beat New England Patriots. Yahoo Sports. A late touchdown by fullback Alec Ingold gives the Miami Dolphins a 15-10 win over the New England Patriots heading into the bye week. Dolphins escape with 15-10 win over Patriots in a game that felt right out of the 1960s. Yahoo Sports. The Dolphins' rushing attack, which yielded nearly 200 yards, was the biggest difference maker. Congrats on the win, Miami Dolphins. Now never play like that again. Sunday's ugly Miami Dolphins win over the New England Patriots was the ultimate glass half full versus glass half empty situation. New England Patriots vs Miami Dolphins instant observations, a throwback win. 1 foot in is a catch in college. Thankfully for the Miami Dolphins, it takes 2 in the NFL. That was the difference in Miami's win over the New England Patriots. Cote Miami Dolphins win in New England was ugly but sweet for team just trying to survive. Opinion, Yahoo Sports. Miami Dolphins 15-10 victory at New England Sunday was ugly, but, given the desperation surrounding it, victory was impressive as a team and coach try to navigate and survive the gut punch of losing quarterback Tua Tagovailoa. Opinion, Dolphins must be better on offense, special teams, but a win's a win's a win. Yahoo Sports. The Miami Dolphins somehow won at the New England Patriots, 15-10 on Sunday. Here's our Joe Schad on the relief a floundering team was feeling after a win. Miami Dolphins got a major boost from a key rookie in Sunday's 15-10 win over New England Patriots. Miami got a big boost from a young player to help edge the Pats. Miami Dolphins must keep ground and pound identity, even when Tua Tagovailoa returns. Enough with the finesse stuff. As Sunday's 15-10 victory over the New England Patriots proved, the Miami Dolphins need to become a downhill running team. Dolphins lose safety Jevon Holland to a hand injury. Yahoo Sports. Dolphins could be forced to play without starting safety for significant period of time because of a hand injury Jevon Holland sustained against the Patriots. Previewing Dolphins/Patriots, Week 5 matchup. Miami Dolphins News, the 10th of May 2024, the Phinsider. Welcome to the Splash Zone, the quickest way to get your day started off right. We bring you a rundown of Miami Dolphins news from the last 24 hours. Miami Dolphins activate wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr.